Hi guys, Scott here again at Let's Talk Tech. Today I am unboxing the Amazon Echo Show. I purchased this on Prime Day last week for £99. It's currently back up to its recommended retail price of £199. Before I talk about this, I just want to say a big thanks to everyone who has supported the channel over the past week since I posted my projector video. It's greatly appreciated. I've gone from 0 to 150 subscribers in the space of a week, so like I said, really appreciate it, and hopefully you guys will stick with me as the channel grows over the coming weeks, months and years. Now back to the Echo Show. I have never owned an Amazon product before. I've never owned an Alexa product before, but I was really curious as to what one of these devices would actually be like. I've always been quite skeptical. I wasn't really sure whether I would see any benefit to having an assistant as such in the house. Now, I bought two of these and I've been using the first one for the past 4 or 5 days now, and I'm going to be really honest, I'm still sitting on the fence. I'm just not sure that having a screen really adds anything for me. So far, in the short time I've been using it really for music. The music on it's fantastic, the sound that comes from it is surprisingly really good, but then again, this is a £199 device, so I would expect it to be up to a decent standard. I think this device would be really well suited to those that really do have a smart home. So if you've got a house full of Philips Hue lighting, or it's connected to your heating system, your front door alarm, then this device is potentially really good. However, I do question whether or not having a screen really brings any value. Do you want to sit and watch movies on this? Probably not, because it's at an angle that makes it really difficult. So lying in bed watching this, it's not that great an experience. For me, the only benefit to the screen that I see is if you have this device connected to your home cameras. In that situation, yes, definitely it would be useful. However, again, would you pay £199 purely to use it for that? I'm not convinced. Now, just because I'm not convinced does not mean that you guys will not love this. With that in mind, I'm giving this Echo Show away. All you need to do to win is hit like and subscribe. Once I hit the magic 500 subscribers, I'll be doing a live draw, which will include this Echo Show along with my GearGo projector. I also have lots of other giveaways coming up over the next 2 or 3 weeks, so do tune in. Every like and every subscribe really does help me grow the channel. You'll see a huge improvement in the coming weeks with regards to production, as well as I have some new equipment coming, so looking forward to sharing that with you guys as well. This has been Scott from Let's Talk Tech. Please do come back.